Watching coronavirus cases now. In the latest on the pandemic, city officials are expressing concerns as the state sees a recent surge in COVID-19 cases, particularly right here in Greenville. Right now, South Carolina reports just over 15,000 cases and over 560 deaths. In Greenville County alone, there are more than 2,200 cases, and we're now considered a hot spot. Now leaders work to address those growing numbers. Fox Carolina's Michelle Zhu is live in Greenville. Tomorrow, there's going to be a pretty big meeting discussing a lot of this, right, Michelle?
Yeah, Nicole, this is something that city leaders have been discussing for a while now as far as the surge of positive cases goes. And they'll actually be meeting here at the convention center behind me. This is also serving as a COVID-19 testing site. So a lot to talk about. And the mayor says that he wants to meet with county and state leaders. He also tells us that he's been receiving multiple emails from people who are saying that they're uneasy given a seemingly lower amount of people actually following health guidelines. Now, Mayor White plans to host a briefing this week with DHEC, Prisma Health, Bon Secours Health System, and Greenville County Management. They all plan to discuss ways to continue pushing the public to keep up with those social distancing practices, wearing face masks and washing their hands. Now, it is important to keep in mind that health officials like nurse practitioner Brandy Giles says the uptick in numbers isn't surprising because testing capabilities have opened up to more people.
We're not going to stop this until there's a vaccine and we know more about it. And the vaccine may not even stop it permanently.
That is not the kind of hot spot that you want to be, certainly. Greenville loves to pride itself in being leaders in the state.
Now, there have been a lot of mass gatherings recently, so DHEC wants people to know that the virus can spread where people are not practicing social distancing, and the risk is higher when people are loudly talking, cheering, or yelling, and that may produce more particles containing the virus. Also, wearing a non-medical grade face mask or cloth face covering doesn't protect the person wearing it, but may prevent the spread. And finally, when people take part in gatherings and don't social distance or wear a mask, that's when we can expect to see an increase in the number of positive cases. Now, we did ask city officials about restrictions within the city and when or if that could happen, and we're told that really just depends on if the governor makes any decisions on any orders. So, of course, that's something that we are keeping an eye on. And as far as that meeting I mentioned with the city, county, and state leaders, that will be happening once again here at the convention center. We will have a crew there to let you know what all unfolds. Back to you.